Split it in half, tip it over backward.
There you go.
Do you want it over backwards, or do you want to hit it just straight on the front?
I just want to hit it straight on the front, like a good old.
There you go. Give it a go, Brad.
Remember, make it a wide swing.
Okay. Over and then like through.
With that attitude, you can't.
You knocked the trim off.
You want to lay it down?
Then you can swing over.
There you go.
We'll split. Hold on, I want to get video.
You swing like a girl.
Until she's coming at you, and then all of a sudden it's not so girly anymore.